Is your garage door refusing to close properly? Malfunctioning sensors might be to blame. The safety sensors at the bottom of your garage door can become misaligned, dirty, or simply malfunction, leading to issues with proper door operation. If you're experiencing this problem in the Jamberoo area, it's time to get it fixed. Call 0409-774-111 to have your garage door repaired by qualified professionals. Ensure your garage door is safe and fully operational. Contact us today.